The relationship between INTJs and INFJs is often considered one of the most fascinating and harmonious pairings in the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI system. These two personality types, although different in many ways, share core values that make their bond particularly strong. Whether in friendship or a romantic relationship, INTJs and INFJs often find themselves deeply connected on intellectual, emotional, and even spiritual levels. In this note, we will explore the key elements that make the INTJ-INFJ connection so unique, why these two types are drawn to each other, and how they can nurture and strengthen their relationships. 1. Understanding the core differences and similarities. The dynamic between INTJs and INFJs is driven by both their differences and similarities. INTJs are known for their strategic thinking, logical approach, and forward-planning abilities. They are visionaries who value efficiency and precision. INFJs, on the other hand, are known for their deep empathy, insightful perspectives, and a strong desire to help others. They are often idealists who seek meaning and harmony in their interactions. Despite these differences, both types share a preference for intuition, N, over sensing, S, which means they are both future-oriented and enjoy exploring abstract concepts. This shared intuitive preference allows them to communicate on a deep level, often understanding each other without needing to explain much. Both INTJs and INFJs are also introverts, valuing their alone time and understanding each other's need for solitude. Their mutual respect for each other's independence helps them build a strong foundation in their relationships. 2. INTJs' attraction to INFJs. The power of depth and insight. INTJs are naturally drawn to INFJs because of the depth and insight they bring to the table. INFJs have an uncanny ability to understand people and situations on a profound level, often seeing beyond the surface to the underlying motivations and emotions at play. This resonates with INTJs, who appreciate depth and complexity in thought and conversation. INFJs also bring a warmth and compassion that balances the often cold rationality of INTJs. While INTJs can sometimes come across as detached or aloof, the emotional intelligence of INFJs helps bridge this gap, creating a space where INTJs can explore their emotions in a safe and non-judgmental environment. This combination of emotional warmth and intellectual depth is incredibly appealing to INTJs, who often struggle to find partners who can match them in both arenas. 3. INFJs' attraction to INTJs. The strength of logic and vision. INFJs are attracted to the strong logical minds of INTJs. The way INTJs approach problems with a strategic and analytical mindset is fascinating to INFJs, who admire their ability to cut through the noise and focus on what truly matters. INTJs' decisiveness and determination can be reassuring to INFJs, who may sometimes feel overwhelmed by their own emotions and the complexities of the world around them. Furthermore, INTJs often have a clear vision for the future, something that INFJs deeply resonate with. Both types are driven by a desire to make a meaningful impact, and when they align their visions, they can become a powerful team. The INTJ's ability to plan and execute, combined with the INFJ's ability to inspire and empathize, creates a partnership where both can thrive and achieve their goals. 4. Communication. Balancing logic and emotion. Communication is a key aspect of any relationship, and for INTJs and INFJs, it's about balancing logic and emotion. INTJs tend to communicate in a straightforward, logical manner, focusing on facts and efficiency. INFJs, however, often communicate with more nuance, focusing on emotions, values, and the underlying meaning behind words. To maintain a healthy relationship, both types need to be aware of these differences and make an effort to understand each other's communication styles. INTJs can learn to appreciate the emotional depth that INFJs bring, while INFJs can work on being more direct and clear in their communication, especially when discussing important issues. It's important for INFJs to express their feelings openly, as INTJs might not always pick up on subtle emotional cues. On the other hand, INTJs should strive to be more patient and sensitive when discussing topics that are emotionally charged for INFJs. This mutual effort in communication helps prevent misunderstandings and strengthens the bond between them. 5. Shared values. Building a strong foundation. One of the strongest elements of the INTJ-INFJ relationship is their shared values. Both types are deeply committed to their ideals and often have a strong sense of purpose in life. They both seek meaningful and authentic relationships and are uninterested in superficial connections. Their shared preference for intuition, N, means they both value deep conversations about ideas, theories, and the future. They are likely to share similar perspectives on important issues such as personal growth, ethics, and the importance of contributing to the greater good. This alignment in values creates a strong foundation for their relationship, as they are both motivated by similar goals and aspirations. In friendships, this shared sense of purpose can lead to a lasting bond where both individuals inspire and challenge each other to grow. In romantic relationships, these shared values help them build a partnership based on mutual respect, understanding, and a common vision for the future. 6. Challenges in the INTJ-INFJ relationship. Despite their strong compatibility, INTJs and INFJs can face challenges in their relationships. One potential issue is the difference in how they handle conflict. INTJs tend to approach conflicts in a logical and detached manner, focusing on finding a solution. INFJs, however, are more likely to approach conflicts emotionally, seeking to understand the underlying feelings and motivations. This difference can lead to misunderstandings if not addressed. INTJs may come across as uncaring or dismissive of the INFJ's emotions, while INFJs might seem overly emotional or irrational to INTJs. To navigate this, both types need to be aware of their tendencies and make an effort to meet in the middle. INTJs can work on being more empathetic and patient, while INFJs can strive to be more objective and solution-focused during conflicts. It's important for INTJs to communicate their expectations clearly and for INFJs to express their concerns openly, ensuring that both partners feel supported and understood. 7. Strengthening the bond. Tips for success. To strengthen their relationship, INTJs and INFJs can focus on a few key areas. Respect each other's needs. Both INTJs and INFJs are introverts who need time alone to recharge. Respecting each other's need for solitude is crucial to maintaining a healthy relationship. Allowing each other space to reflect and recharge can help prevent burnout and maintain the quality of their interactions. Balance logic and emotion. Both partners should strive to balance logic and emotion in their relationship. INTJs can benefit from being more open to emotional discussions, while INFJs can work on being more direct and clear in their communication. This balance helps both partners feel understood and valued. Encourage mutual growth. Both types are driven by a desire for personal growth. Encouraging each other to pursue their goals and supporting each other's development can strengthen the bond between them. Whether it's through learning new skills, pursuing hobbies, or exploring new ideas, mutual growth can keep the relationship dynamic and fulfilling. Be patient and understanding. Understanding that both partners have different ways of processing the world can help prevent misunderstandings. Patience and empathy are key to navigating the differences in their approaches to life and relationships. Celebrate shared values. Focusing on the shared values that brought them together can help INTJs and INFJs maintain a strong connection. Whether it's through shared projects, discussions about the future, or simply enjoying deep conversations, celebrating these commonalities can strengthen their bond. 8. The power of INTJ-INFJ friendship. INTJ-INFJ friendships are often marked by deep mutual respect and understanding. These friendships are built on a foundation of shared values, intellectual stimulation, and emotional support. INFJs provide the emotional insight and empathy that INTJs might lack, while INTJs offer the logical perspective and strategic thinking that can help INFJs navigate challenges. These friendships are often long-lasting, as both types value loyalty and trust. They are likely to stand by each other through thick and thin, offering support, advice, and companionship. The intellectual and emotional depth of their conversations can make these friendships incredibly fulfilling for both parties. 9. The unique chemistry in INTJ-INFJ romantic relationships. In romantic relationships, the chemistry between INTJs and INFJs can be electric. Their complementary strengths and shared values create a partnership that is both intellectually stimulating and emotionally fulfilling. INTJs' focus on planning and strategy can help create a stable and secure environment, while INFJs' empathy and emotional intelligence add warmth and depth to the relationship. This unique chemistry is often what draws these two types together in the first place. They appreciate each other's strengths and are able to complement each other's weaknesses, creating a balanced and harmonious relationship. When both partners are committed to understanding and supporting each other, their relationship can become a source of immense joy and fulfillment. 10. Navigating life together. The long-term potential. The long-term potential of an INTJ-INFJ relationship is significant. With their shared values, mutual respect, and complementary strengths, these two types can build a life together that is both meaningful and fulfilling. Whether in friendship or romance, their bond is likely to deepen over time as they continue to grow and evolve together. In a long-term partnership, INTJs and INFJs can create a strong and stable relationship where both partners feel valued and understood. By focusing on their shared goals and supporting each other's growth, they can build a life that reflects their deepest values and aspirations. The relationship between INTJs and INFJs is one of depth, complexity, and mutual respect. Whether in friendship or romance, these two types have the potential to create a bond that is both intellectually stimulating and emotionally fulfilling. By understanding and appreciating each other's differences and celebrating their shared values, INTJs and INFJs can build a relationship that stands the test of time. If you're an INTJ or INFJ, embracing this unique connection can lead to a partnership filled with growth, understanding, and love. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation about this fascinating pairing.